Okay, I'm gonna shoot the IBS target with the mini mags. I was gonna do it last time and I forgot. But after that, I finally got these SK long range in the mail. So I'm gonna shoot 25. I'm gonna shoot one of the IBS targets with these. So hopefully they work good. We'll see. But I'm gonna shoot there's 4 targets at the top. Those are practice targets. You can shoot as many shots on those as you want. But I'm probably gonna shoot 5. I have 30 rounds right here, so I'm gonna shoot 5 at the one at the very top just to try to sight it in first. All right, see how it's sighted in. There we go. Okay, I guess I'll shoot the one at the far right on the very top, which it'll probably be on the side because I'm gonna have to turn it sideways. But anyway, you'll see where it's at. Not bad for the first shot. I wish I had some of these for the actual target. Man, I'll do the same hole. I think that one was too. Okay, I think this is number 5. Okay, I'm gonna start on target number 1. One shot, 25. Hopefully it'll keep doing like it's doing now. Okay, I'm gonna go right to left, then left to right, and then right to left. Ah, nice. All right, at least I hit it. That's more like it. Shooting high on me. I don't know why. And that's 3 high in a row. It's a little bit low. We'll crank it down just a couple. All right. I think I got it 0 now. Time to get a couple X's. Now I'm shooting low. go. All right, next row. There we go. I think that's the next, maybe. Last one. All right. See if I can get them for the last 10. Dang. Best one yet. All right, 9 more, just like that. Ah, he's just touching it there. There we go. I pulled that one a little bit. All right, last 5. Way right. All right, last one. Get a 10. Nice. Nice way to finish it. Okay, I'm going to, I'll show you guys on video. I'm going to add up the score, see what I got, and I'm going to try that SK long range. Looking forward to that. Here's the target I just shot. There's where I was trying to warm up and get it zeroed. But there's the first one, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. It's not bad. 9, 10. I think that's touching. It's close. That's definitely touching the dot in the middle. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That one right there, man, that's nice. Definitely X. Here's the last ones. Here's the last shot. That's a good way to end it. I'm gonna try this one right here with the SK long range match. Probably shoot 5 rounds again just to try to get it zeroed. See how it does. Okay, this SK long range match. Never shot it before. So I don't have any idea where it's gonna go starting out. So I'm gonna shoot the one on the far right on the very top just to see where it's good. I'm gonna do 5 practice ones, and I'm gonna do 25 on this one. Hopefully it was worth the money and the wait. This stuff was back ordered for like 2 months. All right, let's see. Okay, it's low. I'm gonna need to go up. Try this, see how this works. I'll go up some more. I don't want to waste a whole lot of it. Hopefully this will be on there. I'd say it's on there. Good enough. Got 2 more. Was that through the same hole? Wow. I'm curious to see how this is going to do. Alright, good enough. Alright, I'm starting on number 1. I'm going to go left to right and then right to left. Good start. I don't know what that was. Aha. Try this. Man. Alright, we got to do a little better now. You can tell I'm an amateur, definitely an amateur. I'm a truck driver, I don't do this for a living, that's for sure. Alright, get a 10. There we go. Two in a row, I'll take it. I'll get 3 in a row. Ah, real low. Alright, 3rd row. There we go. It's dialed in now, I hope. That's the X I've gotten. Keep it up. That'll work. Definitely consistent, more consistent than the other ones I shoot usually. This might be the last. I might not have any more. I thought I was out. Yep, something happened. I must have just shot 4 up top, but that messed me up. Well, I got one left over. It's definitely consistent. I think I pulled that. All right, last row. Ooh, that's the worst one yet. Oh well. Come on, let's finish strong. There we go. Finished off with one like last time. Oh well, that's the SK long range match. Look, I got them all in the white except for that one. So I'm gonna add the scores up and see how it looks. I definitely think I beat the mini mags. Okay, I went ahead and added up the scores. Here's the mini mags. I got 216 with 4 X's. I started off really slow, kind of bad. I got a 5, but then I got a 10, then I got a 7, then a 4, then an 8. That 4 hurt me. But then I got a 10, 9, 9, 9, 10. A 10X right there. It's went through it touched it, so 10X. 9, 10, 8, 8. Then a 10X, that was probably the best one. 10, 9, 10X, 8. That was probably my best row, 47. I've never done better than a 47 on a row, but that was awesome. And on the last one, I got a 10, 10, 8, 5, and a 10X. So that was the mini mags. And here's the SK long range. I shot a 221, but I only had 2 X's. But it was definitely more consistent. I got a 10, 8, 8, 9, 7, and a 10, 10, 9, 9, 6, then a 10, 10, 10X. That's pretty awesome, 3 in a row. 7 and 10. And that tied my best row with 47. Then a 10, 10, 8, 10, 8. Then a 9, 10, 7, 6, 10. So anyway, that's the 2 with the SK. Let me show you this box. The SK Match Long Range, which actually it says something about for over 100 yards, but this is only 50 yards, so oh well. Still some good ammo. I wish I had enough of the Ely 10X to do 25 rounds with it, but I only got about 15 left. But anyway, that's it with the IBS targets. Okay, I just wanted to shoot a couple 5-round groups with the 22 subsonic. This stuff usually shoots pretty good out of the Christensen arms. But there's the first one. But it's definitely within an inch, but it was good. That was the last one. But anyway, here's the second group. Like I said, I got like 3 right there, and then that one, I don't know what happened there. But that's the subsonic. But I might do an IBS target with that sometime, but probably not today. But I'm gonna shoot a couple more groups, see how they do. This time I got the this is CB Long. These are low noise subsonic. These things are only going 710 feet per second, and they are 29 grain. But I shot these, I didn't even put my ears on. They're not loud at all. And these things, I had to crank the scope because they do shoot low, but I just wanted to see how they would group. I cranked the scope up to like 4, and they were still shooting low, but I'll show you the group on them. Right here, 3, 4, 5. So that's about a 1, 2, 3, 4, a little over a 4-inch group. But it was pretty cool shooting back there. You could actually hear it go off, and then it would take a second, and then it would hit the target. Kind of like lobbing them in there like a softball. I thought that was pretty cool. These would be good to shoot if you had like an indoor range and had like put a can on the end of your gun. That'd be pretty awesome. Yeah, I shot 2 5-shot groups with the Fiocchi. This is copper jacket at Hollow Point, and fortunately the price has dropped down to $4 a box, so I can get this for $4 a box now. But stuff's not bad for cheap ammo. I'll show you the 2 groups I shot with it. Here's the first one. They're shooting a little high, but those were right together. And here's the last one. That was the last shot, but these were pretty good, within an inch. But that was right there was from the those quiet ones that I shot. But there's the Fiocchi right there, and not too bad.